Today is day 41 of saying Mr. Beast name once for every one subscriber I get, so he puts me in a challenge. We're currently at 148 subscribers, so we say his name 148 times. Let's go. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Mr. Beast, 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 Mr. Beast. Follow for day 42, man. Let's go.